Footprints fade on frozen ground. Breath hangs like unanswered sound. Eyes fixed on a line unseen, where sky begins and earth has been. Can you feel it rising? I walk toward the breaking light, where every shadow learns to fly. Before the coming rush, fingers trace the cracks that bloom into something vast, into room. It's closer now than yesterday. Toward the breaking light, where every shadow learns to fly. One more hill, one more name, one more spark before the flame. Now the sky can't hold it.